We are not the native speaker. If we want to have full command over English, then we will take help from these very points. हमें फिर इन चंद चीज़ों से हेल्प लेनी है, फिर हमें जो है अंग्रेजी पर कमांड हासिल होगा. Native speaker, a person who is not native speaker, but still he visits the place, the community, वो community जहाँ पर लोग English speaking है. There he learns English within a few years, few months. Why? Because he has the native speaker all around him. But if you don't have a native speaker and you want to improve your English, then you have to be fully commanded on these very points. Vocabulary, that is called ज़ख़ीर अल्फाज. आपके पास जितनी ज़्यादा vocabulary होगी, उतनी ज़्यादा आप किसी को समझा सकेंगे या आप किसी की बात समझ सकेंगे. For example, somebody is talking to you in English and you don't know what's the word mean. The specific wording, the vocabulary he is using, you don't know its meaning, then how you will understand or how you will make him understand. So that is vocabulary. Vocabulary कैसे बढ़ेगी? You have to read more and more newspapers and underline the words, the important words and its meanings. That is daily. For example, daily you have to memorize 5 to 6 words, and it will improve your vocabulary. Keep in mind. Another that is listening. The most important thing is listening. For example, a deaf एक बच्चा जो पैदाइशी तौर पर बहरा है, he can't talk in any specific language because he never heard the word. वो कभी अल्फाज उसने सुना ही नहीं है, तो वो अपनी ज़ुबान पर लफ्ज़ कैसे लाएगा? उसकी ज़ुबान ठीक ठाक होती है लेकिन उसके कान काम नहीं करते. जब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनेंगे, then you will be able to talk fluently. आप खुद ब खुद बोलना शुरू कर देंगे, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लिसनिंग की ज़रूरत है. Any language you want to learn, सिर्फ अंग्रेजी की बात नहीं कर रहा. To any language, any other language you want to learn, you have to listen that very specific language for hours every day. मुख्तलिफ टॉक शोज देखे, मुख्तलिफ किस्म के वो देखे ताकि आपकी वो लिसनिंग पावर इम्प्रूव हो. So the other thing that is reading. By reading we can improve our vocabulary and our reading skills as well. But the most important thing, that is conversation. If you don't have a person, a community where you can't talk to each other, that is difficult for you to learn that very language. You have to converse daily with someone, your friends, your colleagues, everywhere. But conversation